I'll be sharing with you how you can download and install PgAdmin and connect to your Postgres instance on Windows. So you're going to head over to Google and search for PgAdmin. So we're going to select PgAdmin 4. Now we're going to select the option that says PgAdmin down here. From here, we're going to grab the latest version, PgAdmin 4 version 9.3. Select the exe file, and once the download is complete, open the executable. So here I'm going to select install recommended for me only. Select next to continue. Accept the terms and agreement and then select next. Select next to continue and then select next. Just select install. The installation will take a minute or two to complete. Once the setup is complete, select finish, and then from your start menu, search for PgAdmin, and then let's launch it. To connect to your Postgres server, right click on servers, select register, select server, and then here is where you enter your connection details. So I'm on a local computer, so I'm going to say localhost, and for the connection, I'm going to say localhost as well. The name of the connection doesn't need to be the same as the name of your host. So let me just say localhostcon, right? Let's go back to connection and specify the password and then select save. So I've successfully connected to my Postgres instance. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.